welcome to CSX's Irwin Yard for this truly joyous occasion. This is a special occasion, one that I know we've all been waiting for to celebrate the reopening of the Blue Ridge Subdivision.
The reopening of the Blue Ridge Subdivision is really a testament to the power of working together. The Blue Ridge is a lifeline for businesses, families, and the national economy, and your hard work and dedication have made this day and the future possible.
Your hard work and dedication to putting this railroad back in place is just so meaningful, and I just want to say congratulations on such an incredible accomplishment. May God continue to bless CSX and Unicoi County.
This project is a testament to what people can accomplish when we come together with a shared purpose. This is a significant moment for CSX. It's evidence of a rail network that has emerged from its challenges stronger and better positioned to serve our customers, our communities, and the national economy.